What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Finally got it running. As you can see. Take off them glass packs, guys. They gotta go. I'm not happy with the sound. Yep, got that old motor out of it, got here running nice. Still need to break it in, man. I got like 500 more miles to go. I was gonna take it for a trip today, but the thermostat kept sticking. So I might handle that a little later on today. Other than that, man, the only thing I would say is get these wires covered up. The Edelbrock only got 1,500 miles on it. It's a 600. I'm about to sell that and put this quick fuel on here. It's a 750. It may sell the intake too. I got an air gap that I want to put on there. Everything else though, man, the headers, I'm gonna get them painted ceramic coat film. I should have did it when it was out, but I just wanted to get this motor in and running first so I can break it in, so I get the parts that I really want on it. The engine bay was cleaned up a bit. Since y'all seen the last video, I accidentally uploaded that video private, so a lot of people didn't see it. But the engine bay was dirty as hell, so if you seen the engine bay at first and see it now, you know it's a major improvement. But it's smooth running. Sounds real deep though. That's her with the throttle on it. Sounds kind of tough, but I still want them flow masters on there. Then once that engine part done, I can work on this interior, which I don't need too much working on it. I wanted to put the newer Camaro seats in it, like 2010 to 12 Camaro SS seats. Probably do something with this console. Get one of them digital dashes with the ones that look like it's factory. I'm not gonna do too much to the car. I still want to look classy. But as far as that, man, she's running. I'm gonna get you a video of it doing this thing, burning rubber, run down the street, whatever. That'll be the next video. Until then, catch up with y'all.